Then after the wear, the hardware will go into this charger, and this one, we call it outlet of the catering system. It can go up and down, and when it works, this charger will insert into the box so that the material won't drop off on the belt. And after drop on the box, the belt will go straight and then finish one. That's how it used. This system is very easy to operate. You just need to set up the target weight on the weigher and set up the packing speed you need on this touch screen. Mainly, there are two HMI on this system. One is for the weigher, and the other is for the box filling station. Generally, there are two languages you can choose: Chinese and English language on the touch screen you can choose. But if you need other language, we can translate for you based on your help. Okay. And about the package style, we can our machine is suitable for all kinds of box style. Like this up and bottom box style is one of the box style for this machine, and we can use another folding